everyone, how are you doing all? Welcome to my YouTube channel Fitness Nut. Myself Astos. I have bachelor degree in computer science. I am two-time grade qualified. Just for introductory part, I have told these things. So today in my channel today I will launching C programming course. In this course I will be teaching you all about C programming from basic level to advanced level. I will be teaching you all the programming basics, all the coder basics, how you can do programming, how you can be coder, and how you can take interest in coding. You know, everything all is combined is necessary for you to learning anything. You know, your reason why must be clear, means why you are doing, why you are learning this course, or why you are pursuing something. For that, your why must be clear. You know, why I am doing this, what it is beneficial to me, is am I gonna enjoy it? So I will tell you all these things. Why you should pursue C, you know, why you should code in C, and as well as, you know, for most important thing, you must be interested to learning it. I will be trying my best to make it all the way of interesting way to teach you, you know. So keep patient and keep watching, keep listen to every word I will tell you carefully, because it's not transcriptive anywhere. I just telling you what I have learned from my experience and what I have learned in my mind. I am trying to keep it in a more simple way, so that an eye user to understand my course. Okay, so if you find somewhere that I am going too slow, just skip that part if you want to. And those who are beginners part, you must see each and every things which I am teaching here. Okay, so this is just an introductory part where I have told you about the importance of C and why I am teaching the C programming language and why I choose C over Python. I will discuss in more detail in next lecture about giving you more history about C. You know, before learning something, you must be knowing about why you are learning it, where it is come from, and because when you know something about it, you will started to you know, take interest on that thing. You know, before getting your interest into something, you must know about its history, where it come from and where it is going, what's its future, why you are learning it. Okay, so thanks for watching, see you next one.